Today I'm sharing my everyday neutral eye makeup. It's an easy, natural makeup look. I really love neutrals, and today I'm using dark browns and bronze colors for this daytime look that's beginner friendly and easy to do with a few pro tips that I've picked up lately. First, I'm just applying this beautiful bronze color. It's still a dark brown, but with a shimmery finish, but a very soft shimmer. So no glitter here. We're just gonna keep it natural, but a little bit luminous. And I'm also gonna apply some of that on the bottom lash line as well. Then I'm going to go over the corners of my eye with the darker brown eyeshadow. So you may already have these colors in your palette. I'm using a palette today from the Online Makeup Academy, who's sponsoring this video and whose course I've been taking to pick up some more pro tips, like using this flat fluffy brush for applying the eyeshadow on the corners of the eye, on the eyelid, and even the crease line. So it really just gives some more precision while still being very soft and very workable to blend different colors of the eyeshadow. That's another thing that I really loved learning, is that you can mix shadows right from your palette to make custom colors, which I always thought, I don't know, I always thought I had to use one or the other. This is another great one. See this super tiny thin brush? It looks like a little thin paintbrush, and I'm using black eyeshadow to be able to just thicken up my lash line. So I'm not great with liquid liner, so this is another way to add a very soft outline to the eye and help to make those eyelashes look thicker while all still being a soft daytime look. So with this tiny brush, you can see I'm just pressing in little by little in between the lashes. So it really is just in that lash line, not above it, just right there for a thin outline that's still very soft. I'm also going to use this brush at the corner of my eye to really bring that lash line up, because the corners of my eyes turn downward and I really want to add more lift, make my eyes look more open. So I'm actually going to take that shadow, that black shadow that we put in the lash line, and just bring that up a bit. So not creating a full wing or anything, but just bringing it up just a little bit, and it's still soft and has that blur effect to it because it is a powder and it's just really easy to blend. And I'll also apply that on the lower lash line to connect that shadow from the bottom lash line all the way to the top. I've loved adding the eyeshadow to the bottom lash line because it really brings that color palette all the way around the eye. Then just go over all of your shadow with a fluffy brush to just blend all the different colors together to have more of this airbrushed look. And then we can go into the lashes. Now I just have natural lashes, so I do need an eyelash curler to really help them be more visible in the first place. And then I love using a mascara primer to thicken up my lashes. So while this is drying, I'll do a little bit of the brows and then come back to finish off the mascara. The primer is applied the same way as the mascara is, just by starting at the base of the lashes and just sort of wiggling up the product through the lashes all the way to the tips. And don't forget the inner and outer corners, because those are usually really thin lashes and benefit from a little bit of thickening from the primer as well. And while that primer dries just a bit before putting the mascara on, I'm going to use some brow gel that's pigmented. So very similar to the mascara, this just makes the brows look a little bit thicker. But since it is pigmented, some of that pigment can get on your skin, which could be a good thing. If it's too much, you can just brush it out a little bit with a clean spoolie, and it really creates a very natural look for the brows. So all of these brushes, this spoolie, these are also from the Online Makeup Academy, and it is a professional certification course. So you will be a certified professional makeup artist if you complete the entire course. You just take the classes whenever you'd like online, and then you submit photos of your work either on yourself or on models, friends and family, and then the instructor gives you a video of feedback and helps you improve your skills. So it's very interactive, and it's a very easy way to complete your certification because it's all online and all at your own pace and all at your own schedule. So I thought this was really unique. I've been able to watch videos just different times of the day if I'm at the gym, and then I can just practice every day while I'm doing my makeup. So let's jump back into the mascara here because now the primer has dried. I'm able to apply the mascara, and when I first pull the wand out of the tube, I apply the mascara to the top lashes first. Once those are done, I'll use just whatever is left on that spoolie for the bottom lashes. So you really want to make the bottom lashes still very thin coating of mascara to keep it looking natural. Now there's two final touches here to complete this eyeshadow look, and the first is to apply some highlighter or a light eyeshadow with a little bit of shimmer to the corners, to the inner corners of the eye. So it really helps to open the eye and draw the light there to really highlight that area. Then the second final tip is when you're applying your blush, just add a little bit of that blush over to the top of your eyeshadow as well, and it just brings all the color palette together and adds a freshness and brightness to the look overall. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you'd like any more makeup videos like this. See you next time.